The program director stipulated very clearly that the person that was supposed to welcome you in this place is Dr. Madondo, who's unable to attend. But I'm very happy because now his absentia has qualified me to take this tender. And long way. You know, in life we are given just one chance. And as women, just drop the opportunity. I just did that. Ladies and gentlemen, then allow me then to welcome you formally, Director Ubaba Umdlovu, Teacher Development Director Baba. Let me welcome you, Udadewethu Sisuzanele Mlambo, Deputy Chief Education Specialist, osezenzele igama in this place. Udadewethu siyabonga kakhulu. Then let me also welcome Mr. Khumalo, CS, Teacher Development, Nobaba Umqandi. They are coming from the province. And also let me welcome all the beautiful ladies that are in this place. Ubaba Madondo has requested me to say these words. He said to me, man, go and tell these women that number one, we appreciate the work that is done by these beautiful women, because I know that sitting here we have principals who are in this place, we've got deputy principal, the head of departments, and colleagues, you know where Lembe was in the map, and it is because of these women we've done exceptional work. Can we give ourselves a round of applause? Then he said to me,